Hello, this is Tech Tips. In this video, I will show you how to design a professional resume or CV in Microsoft Office Word. As you see here, we have some kind of professional resume in Word, and I will show you how to design such kind of an attractive and professional CV in Microsoft Office Word step by step. Okay, so let's jump into the video. I will start from some blank page. So this is the page that we want to produce our CV or just make our CV. Then at the beginning we can insert some shapes. On insert tab we have insert some shapes of rectangle. I will cover 1/3 of the rectangle. Okay, we'll zoom out maybe to see exactly the shape. Cover 1/3 of the shape. On the fill I will select light blue, be this one, and the shape outline, no outline. Okay, from the shape outline at the beginning we insert the image of the one who make his CV. So insert shapes. In shapes we insert some kind of circle. I prefer circle. Put the logo in center. Okay, then on the circle select the previous rectangle in the circle. Then on the format shape, in the alignment, set it center, just to put the image on the center of the shape here. Then click on the circle, then right click and shape format. In shape format select the fill. In fill, this is solid fill. Now I will select with a picture fill. Click on picture fill and select insert the picture that's from the I will just use this image as an example. So you insert your image like this one, then click on insert and click on the text box, and the text box to just draw a text box and write text here. Okay, now I will make zoom out a bit. Okay, first name, last name, then I will say this is an engineer. Okay, write his first name, his last name, then his profession. Just I select here as an engineer. Then select this one on the shape fill, no fill, and shape outline, no outline. Name. Then click here, insert shape rounded rectangle, and I will draw the rounded rectangle as you see here, maybe more rounded. Okay. On the shape outline, click shape outline, no outline. Again, click insert shape, rounded rectangle, and draw some rounded rectangle. Shift it to the right, then click on no outline and shape fill. I prefer the orange one. So select both rounded rectangles, right click, then group group shape. I group this one. Then insert text box. In text box, draw text box. I will draw here the text box. On the text box right, this is just contact information. Select contact, home, resize it, maybe 16. On the type calibrate, I will this one. Okay. Click the shape format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Then I will change the color, put it in center, then home, click home, select the text, then on home change the color to white. Okay, now I have the contact, then put the contact information, insert text box, then click on draw text box. I will draw the text box here. Then on the text box, put your contact details. I will bring these contact details here. I have already the contact details from prepared before. Copy, then paste. Let's shift this one to the right. Shift this one to left. Then select this one to smudge. Then shift a bit. Okay. Shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, no outline. On shape outline, it should be no outline. Okay, just to bring this, the calling icon, the email icon, or the location icon for the address. I will zoom out. Yeah, this is the information for the contact. For these icons, you can insert the icon on the icon tab. On the icon, just you can search by just call. Then you can select one of it. I use this one, so you can choose whatever you want from these call tabs. Then for the email, you can simply write email. Then it gives some email icons. So select the one. I use this one for the email, and for the location, just select search with location. We have different location icons, so I use this one as location. So you can easily insert the icons from the insert tab, these different icons. Then you can write your email address, your contact phone number, or just fax number, then street number, city, and address. Then click on the contact and the rectangle here. I will copy this one, paste. Then I will select this one to move after the contact information. Okay, I put here. What I need next is the language. I need to write language. Then I will rewrite the name with language here. Okay, this was contact. Now write this one as language. Then click on insert, click on text box, then draw a text box under the language tab, text box. Then here insert the shape, insert on a shape. I use some rounded rectangle for languages. Write the rounded rectangle, or just you can even remove the text box. Text box should be none fill, no outline for the text box. Then here I have the icon. The fill for shape fill, I select no fill for the shape, and I prefer a more rounded one. You can use this, the blue, I mean the yellow dot, and you can change the shape of the roundness of the rectangle. So I change this one to this shape. Then click on this one, on this shape, click on shape, then click on insert, click insert text box, draw text box. I will draw text box here. Yeah, insert the text box. On this one, I will say English. Okay. Then adjust the position of the text and click on the text box. Click the text box, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. So now then adjust the position for the text. Okay. I can also resize the box a bit maybe. Okay. Now select the tab, the language tab, and also the circular, this one, the rounded rectangle. Select the rounded rectangle, select the text, then copy, then you can paste as you want. If you have more than one language, can speak more than one language, just can duplicate as you want. You can write just, let's say this one, Amharic. It's fine. It's possible. You can add just some like kind of other language here. Let's say maybe French. That's it. That's it. Then again, copy this title box. Then copy the title. Say copy. Then click here and paste. Now I will select this one. Now that the language tab, click on the next thing is what the next information we need is to put some skills. Okay, I would say skill. I will put some skills here. Okay, the skills. Okay, now as you see, I will zoom out a bit, zoom in. Okay, yeah. Now we fill just almost half of the shape. So I will start on the next half. For this one, first I will insert some shape to decorate. I will select which shape, this one. Okay, as you see this, then you can use this yellow dots to adjust the thickness of the shape. So I will adjust this one. Okay, maybe a bit larger. Then again resize a bit. Okay, shape fill. I will prefer this shape. Then the outline, shape outline, no outline. Then click on the alignment. I mean on the rotate. Rotate. I will flip this one. Okay, then I flip it again. Okay, maybe rotate. Again rotate. Okay. Then I will rotate again. Yeah. I will flip this one vertically. Then again I will flip this horizontally. Okay. Now I will drag this one to the end. Yes. Then this one I will select this tab as a title, select the rectangle, copy then paste. I will take this one here. In this case, the shape is just 2/3 of the page. This half page is 2/3 of the page, so I will extend this icon. Then I will select text and put this one more center. Then it should be the summary. Summary. We will put some kind of summary for general summary about ourselves when we prepare the CV. So for the summary, it should be a bit up, I guess. To use the page efficiently. Okay. Then write insert text box. Insert text box here. Now I will put some text box. Then on the text box, write this general summary about yourself, about experience, or just on which company you work, which skills do you have, just a kind of summary. It should be inserted here. Insert this one, the general summary. Then select all the text, adjust the size, the font size is 12, maybe 14, this is good. Then Times New Roman, you can add any decorations or change the color or itself. Use this one as it is. Okay, then I will rearrange this, select this one on shape format, fill, shape fill, this should be no fill. Then on the shape outline, it should be no outline. Okay, select this tab and the summary again, copy and paste to use on bottom. Now, in this case, it should be what? It should be experience. Experience. Under the experience, I will put the tasks that I prepared, the experiences. Let's say job 1, job 2, maybe this one, copy. Okay. We will have just insert text box, text and text box. We will insert some text box for the first job. Then on the text box, we put the first job. This is the first job. Let's say this is the first job. Then again, copy and then paste. This is the second job. And put the second job here. You can reset it to 2. Again, copy and paste for the other positions. If you have just 2, 3 positions. This one as an experience. Okay. Close. Okay, again, this one. Okay. Now select shape, format, shape outline, no outline. Select the second one. Shape outline, no outline. Then the third one. Shape outline, no outline. Then let's insert some kind of line. Insert, this is I will insert line here. Decorate it more. It should be here. This one. I will zoom out, make it more perfect. Okay. Then click this one on the line outline. You can adjust the weight of the text. The line, maybe 1.5. That's enough. Then color, it should be some kind of blue as the text. Okay, maybe white blue is good. This one. Yeah. Then insert on the shapes, select the circle. I will put some kind of circle, a bit larger. Insert shapes, circle. Then I will put some kind of circle. Okay. On the shape fill, it should be blue. On the shape outline, it should be no outline. Then this one should be also on the shape. Select this one, the line outline, it should be blue. Okay. Now copy this one, copy and just paste for the second job. Paste again for the third job. Okay. Now let me zoom out a bit to see how it looks. Okay. Now it looks so far good. Then again, I will copy the experience tab, title tab, copy and paste. It should be kind of education background. So I will put here and it should be an education now. Then again, we should insert text box, kind of text box, then put here. Okay. Then put the education background that you have. I will put experiences. Okay. Just you can write the education, the academic rank that you have, maybe MSc, PhD, bachelor or something. Then the university name, the year, from which year to year, which year. Then you can add some details about maybe grade or some basic skills you got from the education. You can put some details here on the texts. Then it should be adjusted like this one. Now the outline should be on the shape format. The outline should be no outline. Okay, I will add the next one. Maybe this one, copy and paste for the second. For the second, I have some second educational background, which is just kind of bachelor. Okay. Put second experience here. Now do the same. Do the same for this one. Insert shapes, then line. I will insert some line from this point to this point to make it more attractive to make it more. Yes, okay. Let me zoom out, put the circles poorly. Let's first adjust the weight of the line and the color. That should be blue. Okay. Then insert shapes, circle. I will put some other circle here. Okay. The outline should be no outline. Copy and paste for the second one. You can add, if you have, you can extend the line to third, fourth grounding, like. Okay. This is now the about the education. Then we can add the other icon. Maybe I will add right here about, okay. Education now, this is just the award. An award. Then here insert text box. In the insert text box, you can have some text. Okay. Insert text box, draw text box, then draw text box here. Okay, I select draw text box, then I will draw text box here. Okay, on the text box, I can copy and paste. Then, okay, you can insert the logo from the icons. Click insert on the icons, select the icon which is just about the award. On the award, I use this icon. You can use whatever you want from this one. Just you can select the icons that you prefer. Then I use this icon, and I will say this one. Click the box and shape. On the shape format, shape outline should be none. Then again insert for the text. Insert text box, draw text box. Then I will draw a text box here. And on this text box, I will put the name of the award, maybe name of award, the institute who gives the award, and the year, another year, and other dates. We'll put here. Okay. It should be like this one, and the outfield should be none. The outline should be none. And I will add this shape on the bottom shape also. Copy, then paste. I can move this one, then rotate this one to right, this one, flip. Then I will move this to bottom, on the bottom edge, bottom right edge. I will put this one to decorate my, yes, yeah. Okay, now let me zoom in and see what it looks. Okay, as you see here, almost I finished maybe 90%. So I will add some other skills here on this slide, but on the right hand already I complete the CV. Now on the skills, maybe for skills, what I prefer was just say insert shapes, click on circle, then I will draw some circle here with this size. Okay, the outline should be no outline, the fill is the same. Then again, to represent how much, it's just, I mean, the scale or the percentage of the scale that we have, I will add the second shape on top, which is circle. The circle, I will draw this one. Then using these blue circles, you can adjust the thickness of the circle. Maybe this size. The shape outline should be none. Then the other white, the other yellow is used to represent the completeness of the circle. Then I will move this one. Okay, it should be small. It should be small. Maybe it should be a bit larger. I will put this one on top just. Oh, this is not completely circle. Okay. Okay. Now select the shape, pose the shapes, the circle in the open circle, then group these two, then add text box. I will insert a text box, text, then text box. I will draw text box on top of this one. Then let's say this is 90%. Then on home, adjust the size, maybe okay, 90. This should be Times New Roman. It should be just bold. Then I will put this one to the center of the circle. Then it should be the shape outline on the shape format. It should not does not have outline or no outline. On shape fill, it should be no fill. Then we have only the percentage. Then I will make it white, make it more visible. On home, on the text, it should be white. Okay. Add again, insert text box, insert draw text box. I will draw text. Here already we have write the skill. I say skill 1, and 90% is how much you are skillful on this topic. So click on the shape format. On the shape format, the outline is none. Click on the outline none. The shape fill, no fill for this skill. Select this, then select the percentage, select the grouped image, then group this one the whole as one. Now this is the first skill. I will copy this one, then paste for the second skill. Let's say this is the second skill, copy and paste. It should be for the third skill. I will customize the information. Then I will paste for the fourth skill. Let's say I write about four of the skills. If I say this one is just 50%, then it is skill 2. Then for skill 2, if it is 50%, the circle should be just almost half. So I will click on the second shape, the one which is circle. Then I will drag this one to make it 50%, just half. Okay. For this one, let's say this is not 80%, some kind of 80%. This is skill 3. Then for 80%, I do the same. I will decrease this one. That was 90, so 80 should be kind of this one. Just approximate this. Then the last one is for skill. Let's say 60 or 75. Then I will select this, and on the shape, I will decrease this one to 75%. Okay, this is all about the skill. So I put the skill like this one. I will save all the shapes I didn't so far. Then I will select this skills, then copy and paste. I will drag this one to the bottom. Select this to bottom on the bottom side here. Now this is the skill. Maybe I will say some programming skill. Programming skill. I will say this one. Or okay. Programming skills. Adjust this one, then put to center. Okay, programming skills. So then from the programming skill, what we should do is just we can insert text box. On the text box, draw text box. So I will draw the text box here. On the text box, for the programming skill, I have some programming that I have from the previous. So you can select this one. I will put this programming skills. These are the two icons. Maybe this is enough. Okay. Then select this one. And on the outline, shape outline should be none. No outline. On the shape fill should be no fill. Okay. Again, click on insert. Then text box. On text box, click text box. For this one, this is just Python. So I can write some Python skill. Okay, this is Python. And if it is just maybe advanced the skill level. Home on the spacing, I will remove the spacing to make it more close. This is an advanced, okay. I will make it more. This one, and this should be Times New Roman, be bold. Okay. I will copy and just paste for the second one. Here I will insert. Okay, I can here this one. Let's say here. Okay, now this is for Python. Then I will click on this box, copy and paste the MATLAB. This is just for MATLAB. For MATLAB, I would say advanced intermediate or just beginner level. Then copy this one on the shape format. Shape, this is no fill and no outline. No, this is no fill, no outline. For the second one also do the same on the shape format, no fill, no outline. That's all. So now we see in the full. Okay, this is now the final look for the CV. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment video